If you're watching this video, then it means you are on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or Facebook and you love watching videos. And if you love watching videos, you will be able to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way, without experience, without technical knowledge, without website, without a mailing list, and without social media following. And let me show you how much money we make. This is one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. Let's take a screenshot. So this $38,155 is passive affiliate commission. Now this looks really exciting, but I would say the most exciting part are these pops. These are the clicks on our affiliate links by the viewers of our videos. Yes, that's the ugly truth. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna admit the truth. We make videos in order to make money online. But here's the kicker. In our other 20 plus channel where we get thousands of clicks like this, we don't use cameras and microphones because it's not possible to make videos for 20 plus channels using cameras and microphones, you understand? Although we love using camera and microphone, and you might love it too, but it's not really a scalable process. So we made a software for ourselves. Epic is an artificial intelligence software that allows you to make videos using image and text. Epic writes a script for us. Copy any text from anywhere. Come here, click the text generator, copy any text from any website. Don't worry about stealing, it's not gonna be stealing. Paste it here, use any of these buttons, and the spinner or the rewriter AI will rewrite the text for you. That will become your script. Then go to the audio section. Click here under the text to audio section, click this button, put this text and click submit, and immediately your natural sounding voiceover is ready without you using microphone. How cool is that? Under text to audio section, your audio will be available to add in this clip, or you can play. Let's play.
If any of those things are true, then you're doing a great job of feeding your mind.
Talking about clips, Epic allows you to make bite-sized clips. On the right-hand side, you can see, and save your work and go to other work. Come back anytime, add more sections, add image, text, voice over, do whatever you want and make your video. And just one click, your video will be ready in the cloud. Then you will get an email notification when it's ready. Download it, upload it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and ask your viewers, did you like our video? Then click the link in the description, in the first comment, or in the bio and buy from us. That's it. If your content is good and helpful, you have a clear intention of helping others, they will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy from your link. In fact, in most cases, our customers come to us asking, are you promoting this? I want to buy from you. And we give them our link, they buy, we make money. That's simple. No selling, no experience, no website required, no camera, no microphone required. All the links are in the description. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines. And this way, not only you are learning how to make money online, you're actually sharing helpful information with your friends and family. And they will love you and follow you for sharing this helpful information. They will eventually become your first customers and clients. This is the deepest and the biggest secret of making money online. You just have to take an initiative, have fun with it, and you will win. Start today. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. All right, now let me show you what everybody wants. Do you see this? $188 million mansion. This video has got 19 million views. 19 million views equals approximately $60,000 to $90,000 in AdSense commissions alone. So this video has made that much money without selling anything, only from AdSense running on this video. Now, this might not be your thing, but this kind of real estate, $188 million property might be your dream. This is my dream as well. So how can I achieve things that I achieve? How do I make this kind of money and even far more money from all my channels and accounts and businesses? The first thing is mind conditioning. You tell your mind that you can do it. Then you tell your mind, find ways to make money and do it and get it. When you keep telling your mind that you do it, you can do it, and you keep watching this kind of videos, you hang out with these kind of rich people, the owners of these kind of mansions, or you join the masterminds, you hire them as mentors, you acquire the mindset. That's the first stage of achieving your goal. So I hang out with the people who have 8-figure and 9-figure businesses. So I always have a mindset to go up and hit my next goal. So yes, I have a goal of buying 188 million California mega mansion. And if you want to do it, then here is what you do. You go step by step. But before that, you learn mind conditioning. Where you learn from? YouTube and Google are your best friends. These days, people are putting their lives of work for free to attract more and more customers from these platforms. So go to these platforms and watch these videos. And once you watch these videos and you are learning, don't stop there. Take notes, take screenshots just like this, and take this screenshot, go to your Epic account. Epic is free to start, link is in the description, and put your notes in form of screenshots like this, text and other stuff, and add your own voice, either your own voice using your own microphone. Just by clicking here, you can record your voice and add it to your video clip, or add text to audio, or do whatever you want, but make simple videos. Whatever you are learning, turn them into your own videos and publish them on YouTube. And look at this. These mind conditioning videos get millions of views because just like you and me, hundreds of thousands of people, millions of people need this advice. Your videos will attract these people and you will be hanging out with these people. Now you start making money, and then you ask these people to buy from you, from your links in the description, in the first comment, in the bios. They will love your content and they will buy from you. Now you made some money from affiliate marketing, you have good knowledge, and you have bundle of videos. Go to Udemy. Udemy has 109 million customers of their own. Upload your videos as course content and sell your course like this. Look at this. This course has made $1 million selling their course to 72,000 students at $15 price. Look at this. I have put all this information in Epic as a campaign. So our Epic users get our videos, all this information ready in their dashboard as templates, so they can simply start making videos out of this information. So this is another benefit of using Epic. You get all our work as your video templates, so you can make videos out of those information and make your own videos and make money just like us. So the simplest form of making money is your sincere intention of helping others. How do you help others? You learn yourself. As you learn, use softwares like Epic and put your lessons as information video, publish them on YouTube and other channels, attract customers by helping them upfront. Then at the end of your video, ask them to buy from your link in the description, just like we are giving away our valuable software for free. Link is in the description. This is how we attract customers. We give away literally everything. Our knowledge, our education, our experience, the information we collect for ourselves, our softwares that we use to make money for ourselves. And people love us. They ask us how can they buy from us. We give them our link and they buy. Simple. You can do it too. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money this way. You can do it starting today, but you have to start it. For that, have a clear mindset. If not, go ahead, watch those videos, get those courses, learn, put your learning into videos, and the cycle goes on. But it starts from your mindset of helping others, and then use Epic or softwares like Epic. Make simple solution to make simple videos. All the links are in the description, and I hope you loved our video. If you did, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines. And this way, not only you are learning how to make money online, you're actually sharing helpful information with your friends and family, and they will love you and follow you for sharing this helpful information. They will eventually become your first customers and clients. This is the deepest and the biggest secret of making money online. Internet is free, and connecting with millions of people is totally free. You just have to take an initiative. Have fun with it and you will win. Start today. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.